Most disturbing things caught on camera. Doorbell cameras. Very spooky.
The homeowner in Texas would wake up one morning to find the gate into his backyard wide open. Curious, the man would review the cameras he had around his house, and this is the sign he was met with.
Oh my gosh. That is not a clown. That is a clown. That was a clown with a knife. Okay, first, what I would do in this situation, I don't know if you're home or not. First, if you're home, 911. 911. Immediately.
A man holding a knife and in a clown costume, complete with the suit and mask, casually walks around the property, looking inside the house and testing all the doors.
Bro, is this a prank? He's walking like Michael Myers from Halloween. Slow and casual. No fear.
This will, of course, take place in 2016, during that sort of killer clown
I
craze
don't know why I'm laughing at this right now. This is just insane to look at.
that went on for a few months. Looking back, most people that participated in that were most likely.
Yeah, I feel like you have to be some level of crazy to walk around with a knife on at somebody's front door. Must have been Halloween or something. Had to be. Because otherwise than that, you're cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked.
Just having fun.
Let him cook now. Let him cook.